In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not working opening in Windows 11. If Outlook won't launch, gets stuck on the splash screen, or closes right after you click it, don't worry. We'll start with a quick reset using Task Manager, then use Windows' built-in Office Repair tool to fix any missing or corrupted files. Both approaches are safe to try and typically don't affect your emails or calendar data stored on the server. First, make sure Outlook is fully closed. Sometimes the window is gone, but a background Outlook.exe process is still running and blocking a clean start. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Microsoft Outlook or any Outlook.exe entries under Apps or Background Processes. Select each one and choose End Task to shut them down completely. Give it a moment, then try launching Outlook again from your Start menu or taskbar. If the issue was a stuck process, this alone often brings Outlook back to life. If Outlook still won't open, use the Office Repair tool built into Windows. Because Outlook is part of Microsoft Office, repairing the suite can replace damaged files and reset components that affect startup. Click the Start button and open Settings. In Settings, select Apps. On Windows 11, you'll typically go to Installed Apps inside the Apps section. Scroll through the list or use the search box to find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Depending on your subscription, you might see a slightly different name, but it will be the main Office installation, not individual apps. Click the entry and choose Modify. If you see a security prompt asking for permission to make changes, click Yes. The Office Repair window will appear with two options. Start with Quick Repair. This runs locally, is relatively fast, and fixes many common issues without needing an internet connection. Let it complete, then try opening Outlook again to test. If Quick Repair doesn't resolve the problem, return to the same Modify option and choose Online Repair. This is more thorough and downloads fresh files from Microsoft, so it takes longer and requires a stable internet connection. It may close any open Office apps while it works. Be patient and allow the process to finish. When it's done, launch Outlook again. In many cases, this deeper repair clears out persistent startup problems caused by corrupted components. That's it. By fully closing Outlook and repairing the Office suite, you can usually get Outlook opening smoothly again on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your inbox without the headaches.